Alright, now wash the rice and put in the rice cooker. Now we're gonna get started on the curry. So I'll chop off half of that. Throw some garlic in. And we'll fry it till it's like it looks good. Burned it yesterday. Yeah, say goodbye to that sponge. It's gone. Never taking it back out again. We're gonna use a different pot as well. Because I played a lot of Minecraft last week, I cut these into little squares. But now we're gonna plop some garlic in. Like this. Ooh, that's a lot. Nice. Alright, now that it's like kinda cooked. Anyways, here you go. Okay, I diluted it with some water. But now it just looks like someone took a fat dumpy. Okay, it looks like our rice finished with some bubbles on top. That's because I forgot to stop using soap. No, I'm joking. The spoon for rice. We had this spoon for the curry. What we're gonna do? I can't do this with one hand. We like pack the rice and throw it in the curry now. Bye. And now that we've thrown in the curry, this is what it looks like. I threw in like some corn to make it look like it's healthy. But let's get started on the egg burrito, I guess. Alright, so first I melted the butter and I put the eggs in. I'm gonna mix it. Alright, for your tortillas, you wanna like get it kind of wet. So what you wanna do is get your hand wet. Just brush it onto the tortilla gently. Flip it over, do the same thing. Okay, that's like a little wet. Plop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds on high. And then it should come out like this. It's like a little more stretchy than when it's dry and cold. And it'll make wrapping a lot easier. Now when the egg is like 80% done, when it still has like a little bit of water, you want to stop it because it's going to cook on its own. And keep on doing the tortillas. I'm going to cook some Spam now. Okay, so I made like 2 already, and it looks like I'm almost out of material, so definitely going to make more of these next time. But yeah. So first serving turned out pretty okay. Put in some extra sausage and an egg. The flavor is okay, it's bearable. I'm glad I added the lagama. Pretty good. I'll keep on making this. Probably make pasta next time though. So yeah.